Bon, c'est ce que les gens disent, mais je ne crois pas effectivement que c'est du fétiche. L'animal est réel.
Huyu pepo wa majini yeye hutoka mara kwa mara kuja kwenye kando ya mto, na akija sisi wavuvi huwa tunaweka video zetu hapa, na mtu kwa bahati mbaya akija akienda majini huwa atatukula sisi. Sasa yule akipata damu ya mtu,
C'est son nom ça, Mokele Mbembe.
So I've got something new for you guys today. It's a little bit different. This is a creature that lives in the rivers of the Congo basin. They say it lurks in the bends of waterways and hunts anything from humans to hippopotamus and elephants. The locals call it Mokele Mbembe, which means the one that stops the flow of rivers. They say it has a barrel-like body, a long neck, and a long whip-like tail. Though it seems to kill anything that it's in the water with, especially hippos, the animal never eats any of its prey. The natives say that it eats a local plant called liana, a sort of a flowery, fruity vine.
Oh my god, guys, I found my berries.
The first mention of a creature like this living in the Congo basin is from 1776 by a French missionary. He found large footprints with 3 toes. Since then, reports of the creature have reached more and more western ears. The locals tell of a creature that resembles a sauropod, which is sort of like a brontosaurus. The thing about these stories that makes them so convincing is their consistency. While details may vary a little, they keep the same couple of things straight: what it eats, how it behaves, where it lives, what it looks like. There's a shocking number of reports on the animal. Just the Wikipedia article references 34 different reports from scientists and missionaries from the Congo basin. Here are just a few of the encounters with the creature known as Mokele Mbembe. In 1919 to 1920, 32 men were sent from the Smithsonian Institute to the Congo basin to search for specimens of plants and animals that they had been studying. While there, they found large, unexplainable 3-toed tracks on the banks of the rivers. They found these same tracks later in a swamp. They began to hear loud, mysterious roars from the jungle, which even their local guides couldn't identify. The researchers took a train to visit a flooded area where an entire tribe was claimed to have seen the Mokele Mbembe. But suddenly, on their way there, the train derailed and flipped completely over, crushing 4 men to death and injuring 6 others. They were sent back to America, their journey cancelled. In 1979, a man named James H. Howell Jr. witnessed a tribe of locals hunt and kill a Mokele Mbembe after it had injured itself on a spiked fence they had built to keep it out of their fishing grounds. They held a victory feast and ate parts of the animal. However, everyone who consumed the animal during the feast died a few days later. Whether this is food poisoning or some other causes is unknown. However, this caused the locals to believe that it was cursed. In 1985, a writer named Rory Nugent witnessed an animal moving through the water quickly in the Congo basin. He took out a boat to investigate. However, when he was nearing the creature, the locals held him at gunpoint and told him to go no closer. They told him he couldn't approach the creature, but it could approach him if it chose to. He didn't. In 1988, the Japanese sent planes out over the Congo basin to look for the creature and to do scientific research. They were filming the river when they caught footage, which is very blurry and shaky, but contains what they believe to be a Mokele Mbembe swimming through the water. There's definitely something there. No one's really sure what it is. Skeptics say that it might be a hippopotamus swimming through the water. However, adult hippopotamus actually don't swim or float very well at all. When they're in deep water, they hop along the bottom. Sightings continue even to this day. And the natives don't talk about it like it's some legend or myth. They talk about it like any other animal in the river. I was actually shocked when I was researching this to find how many creatures are reported to live in the Congo basin by the natives, which closely resemble dinosaurs. These reports are from natives that have never even heard of or seen a picture of a dinosaur. Thousands of new species of animals are discovered every single year that aren't really new at all. They've always been there, we just hadn't found them yet. How can we be sure that everything we think is extinct is really dead? There have been many occasions when we declared a species extinct, only to find them alive and well a few years later when we stopped looking. So what do you think? Could the Mokele Mbembe or other dinosaurs be living somewhere deep in the jungles of Africa or South America? Let me know in the comments below, and like and subscribe if you want more videos like this.
inside of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be.